Hi, 皆さん、こんにちは. Welcome back to Practical Japanese, where we have more basic Japanese that you can use every day. And in this video, we're going to be talking about adjective conjugations. And like I mentioned in two of my previous videos with the noun conjugations and the verb conjugations, Japanese uses a pattern called stem plus ending, and that is the word or the stem part of the word plus the ending, which is the conjugation, which again gives you context about that word based on time. So affirmative present, affirmative past, negative present, and negative past. But before jumping into that, in this video we're going to talk about adjectives for a little bit, and just so you know that all adjectives in Japanese end in I, okay? And there are some other words in Japanese that we think of as adjectives in English, but they don't always necessarily end with I, and we will talk about those later. But for all simplistic purposes, all Japanese adjectives generally end in I, okay? And so on this table I have some examples. And so we have takai, which is tall or expensive. And then to the right of that we have yasui, which is cheap. And then we have tanoshii, which is fun. And then tsumaranai, which is boring. Or tsumannai, boring. And then atsui, which is hot. And in this kanji character we have the hot for weather, not for temperature of an object. And then to the right of that we have samui, which is cold. And then next we have oishii, which is delicious. And then the next one is mazui, which is bad tasting. And then the next one is hayai, which is early. This is not the kanji for fast. Hayai also means fast, but this is the kanji for early. And then the next one is osoi, which is late or slow. And you see all of these adjectives end in I. And I is what we use as part of our conjugations. Okay, so jumping straight into the chart, we're going to the first upper left corner, which is affirmative present. And here we see is I plus des. So it's the adjective plus I plus des. So takai des, which is it's expensive or it's tall or it's high. Takai des. Okay? And then the next one is it's funny or interesting, and that is omoshiroi desu. So omoshiroi plus desu. Omoshiroi desu. The next one is it's fun. So tanoshii plus desu. So tanoshii desu. It's fun. And the next one is it's difficult, which is muzukashii desu. So muzukashii desu. Okay? And then I hope that was all straightforward. If you had some trouble understanding that, you can refer back to the previous lessons in the nouns and the verb section. But for now, we're going to move on to the upper right corner, which is affirmative past. And that is katta desu. So katta plus desu. Okay? And what happens here is you take the I sound from the adjective and you remove it. And you replace it with katta. And then you add desu to it. So it was cheap. So the first example we have is it was cheap, okay? And you say yasukatta desu. But if you just take the adjective by itself, it's yasui. So yasui is cheap, but then you replace the I with katta. So instead of yasui, you say yasukatta. And then you just add desu to that. So yasui becomes yasukatta desu. So yasukatta desu. Okay? And then the next one is early. And so past tense early, which is hayai. So you take the I and then you remove it and then you replace it with katta and then you add desu. So hayai becomes hayakatta desu. So hayakatta desu. It was early. Okay? I hope you understand. I'm going to move a little bit faster. Next one is it was delicious. So oishii becomes oishikatta desu. Oishikatta desu. It was delicious. And then the next one is bright. And bright is mabushii. but you replace the last e with katta, so mabushii becomes mabushikatta desu. Okay? And then moving on to the bottom left corner, negative present. Again, we have that sort of thing where we take the i from the adjective and we replace it, but instead of with katta, this time we replace it with ku. Okay, and then you just add arimasen after that. So moving to the first example is it wasn't soft. So the adjective here is soft, which is yawarakai. So yawaraka, and then you replace the i with ku, and you add arimasen. So yawarakai becomes yawarakaku arimasen. So yawarakaku arimasen. Yawarakaku arimasen is it's not, it wasn't, it's not soft. Sorry, I wrote it wasn't soft, but it's actually, it's not soft. Scratch that, okay? That's my error. So moving on to the next one is I'm not sleepy. And so the adjective is sleepy, which is nemui. Nemui is sleepy. But I'm not sleepy becomes nemuku arimasen. So you replace the i, okay? So nemui becomes nemuku arimasen. Nemuku arimasen. Nemuku arimasen is I'm not sleepy. Okay? The next one is it's not annoying. So annoying, as a lot of you might know, is urusai. Okay, urusai. But we replace the i with ku and then add arimasen. So urusai becomes urusaku arimasen. Urusaku arimasen. It's not annoying. And the last one is dirty, which is kitanai. So kitanai. So kitanai, the i replaced with ku. So kitanaku arimasen. So kitanaku arimasen is it's not dirty. Okay? And then the last box on the bottom right corner is negative past, and similar to the other negative box, you replace the i with ku, and then instead of arimasen, you say arimasen deshita. Okay, so it wasn't hard, and this is like solid object kind of hard, like a rock, is katai. So katai becomes kataku, and then you just add arimasen deshita. So kataku arimasen deshita. Okay. Next one is cold. It wasn't cold, so samui becomes samuku arimasen deshita. Samuku arimasen deshita. It wasn't cold. Okay, next one is it wasn't hot. And this kanji that I used is for the temperature of an object. And so this is also atsui. We just use a different kanji. And so atsui becomes atsuku arimasen deshita. Atsuku arimasen deshita. Atsuku arimasen deshita. Okay, and the last one is it wasn't spicy. And so spicy is karai, karai. And then you just replace the i, so karaku arimasen deshita. Karaku arimasen deshita. It wasn't spicy. Okay, so I hope that helped. I hope you better understand how to conjugate these adjectives. And if you have, again, any questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And until then, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. じゃあ、またね。